Facebook email extractor software. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you this email extractor software that's really awesome. Let's go and check out the date today. Today is the 29th August 2020. In the USA it's 4:17 a.m. You can see the dates, you can see everything. This software is working awesomely. I just went and started to extract emails to check them out for you. I wanted to review this software. This software has lots and lots of other features out here. You can see in the menu there are lots of features. This software will cost you $59 and that's a one-time payment. Okay, so just go and find a group related to any niche. Okay, for this example I'm going and extracting emails from a yoga niche. You just have to copy and paste the numbers on that group URL from the Facebook. Okay, so go and copy these numbers only, okay, and just paste it out here. And after you paste it, you just have to click the extract button and this software will start extracting emails. Okay, now we already have 200 plus emails that the software is extracting, and it's still on the process of extracting. You can leave this software for many hours and extract more than 50k emails per day. Okay, so actually you can do unlimited, but I'm just giving you a number. Now make sure that the group from where you're extracting emails, they are groups of those groups are active. Okay, you can see the engagement in this group, 65 likes, this much amount of likes. Just go and make sure that this group is a little bit engaging, and also you can see the numbers are still rising and more emails are being extracted. Now just leave that alone for a while and let's go to clickbank.com. okay, now how to make money using those emails, I'll just show you, but first you have to go and sign up to clickbank.com. Now clickbank.com is a website where you will find digital products to promote. Okay, and you will make a commission up to 75%. You do not have to buy any products, you just have to create an account on ClickBank and you can promote these offers or these products. Now just go, after you log in, you'll see this menu on the left hand side. These are all niches. Okay, now and these are all sub niches. Now you'll have to find a product out from here and you will need to promote these products. Okay, now since we are extracting emails from the yoga niche, we will go and find products related to yoga on health and fitness. Okay, so you do not have to go and promote just a yoga niche, but only for this example I want to show you. And first of all, let's go and sort it by the money you can earn per sale. Okay, so the yoga niche, there's not a product that pays a lot, but at least $48 per sale is good. Okay, so make sure it has a recurring income so that you can earn from the second month also. And just look at it. Okay, it will pay you 75% per sale. Okay, and you just have to write your nickname. Now this is my nickname is a name that you have to write while creating ClickBank account. Okay, so and now this is the link. Now this is the link that will get tracked back to you. Every sales happening from this link, you will make money. Okay, so that's the money making link which is very, very important. Okay, so there are lots and lots of other niches out here. Okay, the make money online niche is one of the best niches which you can get in, and they pay you a lot. Okay, the money you can make on this niche, you make a lot of money. You can make a lot of money per sale, but again you can just promote using this link if you want to promote this offer. Okay, so you can see there are lots and lots of offers, but the conversion rate is a bit low on make money online niche if the product price is very, very high. Okay, so you can find a product where you can earn $500 per sale. Okay, you do not have to go and be greedy and only promote offers that pay you 2k per sale. Okay, so just go by gravity. If you go by gravity, you know that okay, I just wanted to just check once. So these emails are still being extracted, and let's go to the yoga page out here. We extract emails, we find a product to sell from clickbank.com. You just have to create an account out here and sorry, And last step is you will be sending emails to those people. Okay, you'll be sending emails to those people uh, using this software. This software is very awesome. Okay, but you cannot just go and paste your ClickBank link out here, because ClickBank has rules where you are not allowed to promote the ClickBank link directly by sending emails. Okay, so this email sending software, there you can see all these designs you can choose, but before doing that you cannot promote this offer directly. So we will need a landing page. Okay, so the landing page creator software, this is the landing page creator software that is really awesome. Okay, you can see lots of landing pages out here. You can edit. This is all drag and drop. You do not need any coding skills at all. Okay, just go and choose one. In this example we'll be choosing yoga template, because we are promoting an offer from ClickBank related to yoga. Okay, so now this is the landing page software, which will cost you $197, but other softwares have used a lot of it, and they will cost you $100 per month or $500 for 6 months. But this is just a one-time $197 software, and you can you do not need any coding skills at all. Okay, this is all drag and drop landing page creator software, and you can change whatever you want using this software. Okay, just go and edit whatever you want, and make sure you insert your ClickBank affiliate link, which we just copied. Okay, because that is the link. Remember I told you the money making link. You have to paste it out here, because every sales, whoever comes to your landing page and clicks this button and buys the product, you will make a commission. So that's really important. And you have to of course change this contents. You can see that this is the just a template where you can just go and play around with the software and change all these. And remember, all links, all these buttons, make sure to insert your affiliate link on every button out here. Okay, so this one's also you have to go and just change it by pasting your link out here, and do the same for others also. Okay, now you can see the landing page. This is a very decent landing page, and the conversions will be more high when you will send your traffic to the landing page, okay, than the main offer page. Because people will just want to know more about the product before going to directly to the offer page and buying it. Okay, so let's go and see the page. Okay, now let's go and see the offer page directly and try to get content from there, so that we can put on our landing page. So let's see, let's wait. Okay, now this is the offer page. Now you can just copy the headlines. Okay, now you can learn China's 1500-year-old stay young, healthy and secure, blah blah blah. Just copy it and just come about here and just paste it. Paste, select all, just click, just to double click and just paste it. And you can just you can change the fonts, you can make it bigger or smaller according to your need. Okay, now this, even a 10-year-old guy can do it very easily. Okay, you can change, even if you want to change the image, or you want to change the color of this button, everything. You want to make it bigger or smaller, you want to make oval, whatever it is, everything you can do it very easily. Okay, now this software is very powerful, and lots and lots of other features. Full funnel will be available very soon, where you do not have to even edit anything. Okay, you just have to insert your affiliate links, and you can just go and let the funnel do the selling for you. Okay, so that's also coming soon, but just look out here. Let's see what we want to change. Let's delete this one. Okay, this is just our landing page, and we do not want any pricing in this landing page. We just want click-through rate from this landing page. Okay, now you can see that there are lots of other features. Whether you want to add a header, you want to add features, you want to add pricing tab, you can see out here everything is there, and it's really easy. And it's you can also even collect emails and send them, do email marketing using this software. Okay, so let's go and see other features of this software, so that you know that this landing page is the thing you need. Okay, so all this text, image, button, whatever you want, you can just do it using this software. Okay, you can just insert anything out here and make a beautiful landing page out here. And let's see if there's anything more to do. Actually, you can please go and just play around the software, and after you make the landing page, publish this page. Okay, now you can see out here that let's go and see our landing page, how it is, and it should look beautiful. And actually this one is pretty good, but make sure that it looks good. The coloring, you have to just change this color maybe, but whoever clicks this button, they will be taken to your ClickBank offer through your link, and every sales happening from this and this link, you'll make a commission up to according to the offer. Okay, so in this case you'll make $48 per sale. Okay, so if you are sending 10k emails and only you get only 10 of them buys this product, you'll make $480. Okay, so the more emails you send, the more money you can make. Okay, you can make easy $1,000 to $2,000 every single day by using this system, but you just have to keep extracting emails and keep sending emails. Okay, so now let's send emails. How to send emails? You need to copy this link. Now this is the link which will promote by sending emails from this bulk email sender. Now this bulk email sender has this lots of features like unsubscribe link. You have to include unsubscribe link in every email. Okay, and it also has a good tracker and good spam checker. This software is really awesome. There are lots and lots of other features which you can just play around, check it out. You can always send unlimited amount of emails using this bulk email sender software. Okay, and remember, while sending cold emails, no links on your first email. You cannot insert any links on your first email, because it will go to the spam, and people do not like to get promoted in their first email. Okay, so just provide value. Okay, try to provide value, and suppose you are in the yoga niche, you can just write 10 yoga tips or 10 yoga courses you can take, etc. You can just provide value about yoga, and on your on your fourth email you can paste the landing page link which we just created. Okay, and you'll make more conversions on your fourth email than your first email. Okay, on your first email, do not send any links. Now if you do not want to write emails, there is also a 70 done for you emails for the make money online niche. Okay, remember, not the yoga niche but the make money online niche. You'll get 70 done for you emails. In order to get those emails, just go to the description below this video and you can get them. And you can see this, you can add while sending emails, you can add emails or delete emails using this bulk email sender. And let's see the extraction process. So you can see all these emails that has been extracted. You can always download these emails using the download button after you stop this software, and you can also continue using this software. Okay, so you can see there are lots of other features of this software, and this software just costs you $59 one-time payment only. Okay, so go and get this software, and let's see the time again. I'll just refresh. Okay, it's 4:31 a.m. okay, so I just wanted to show you the date and time because I want you to know that this software is working as of today, 29 August 2020. Now the bonus which I'll be giving is, if you get this email extractor software from x2wizard.com and the bulk email sender from a2wizard.com, also the landing page creator software, I'll leave the description below. If you get this software, because you need this software. Okay, so if you get this software, I'll be sending you the stepwise process on how to make money using this system. I'll also be sending you the cold email mastery course which I follow, because sending cold emails can be tricky a bit, because you want your emails to reach the inbox. Okay, you want the perfect server to send emails and reach the inbox. Okay, I'll be sending you tips and tricks on how to do that. And firstly, the cold email mastery course, it is the best course which I have ever taken, and I'll be sending that to you guys for free. Sorry about the outside noise. someone's ringing the bell, and it's not Christmas, it's just August 29. Anyway, go and take action today, okay? Because there are lots of students, my friends, my family, everyone's doing this method, and this method is doing really awesome. Make sure you do not spam, and make sure that you follow the rules of the cold email mastery course. It's very easy, okay? First, extract emails. Second, find products to promote. Third, make a landing page related according to the product which you choose. And fourth, send emails. And the fifth step is make money online, okay? So thank you very much for watching this video till the end. All the links and links to the software and bonuses, all other resources, we have lots of ways to make money online. So everything, just go below this video on the description below. Please go to this description regularly, because I'll be updating those also regularly. And go and get all these softwares and start working from today, okay? So and last but not the least, after you start making money, go and help others, okay? Your brothers, your friends, your family. Don't keep this method with yourself, okay? Go and help others, and let's all make money together. Thank you very much for watching this video. I believe in karma. I want you to help others also, okay? So good luck, and thank you very much. Bye bye.